Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's create this cloth reveal animation. What you'll learn is simple cloth simulation and how to control cloth using hook and vertex pinning. Make sure you do not miss the results in the end. So let's not waste any time further and dive into the video. If you think you will just open up Blender, a general file, and remove all the objects, turn on screencast keys, go to Blender Kit add-on, then search your favorite car, in this case which is BMW, and browsing up in the free models and adding your favorite car, adding a plane, scaling it 10 times, selecting the car and all the objects, applying all the modifiers which come with it, then joining all the parts, selecting the mesh and the plane and removing everything else. Then simply add a plane, move it up, scale it thrice, scale it twice along y-axis, add a loop cut, then subdivide it almost like 60 times, selecting the extra faces and removing them, adding a cloth, physics and collision to car and the floor, then hitting the play button, you will get your car reveal animation. Then you are wrong, of course. This is because this model has too much details, too many vertices, too many faces to interact with, which your potato cannot handle. In order to make it legit, you will need to increase the quality steps to almost like 1000 and subdivide this plane almost like 500 times. And that would be possible only if you have infinite amount of RAM. So to fix this problem and not to destroy your PC in the process, what you're gonna do is just duplicate our mesh of the car, bring it here on the side, add a remesh modifier for it. To fix this problem, I had two methods. So one of them was remesh and the other was the shrink wrap modifier. But shrink wrap didn't work for me, so I used remesh modifier. And I have known that this value works for me. So this basically remeshes your model and produces a low poly version. But there are some flaws like missing mirrors here. So I will turn off this temporarily and fix this mirror problem. Select those loops, bring cursor here, then add a cylinder, rotate it 90 xy's and scaling it roughly to the size of the mirror, something like this, scaling it thin. Then I will insert this face, bring it here, move it along Y, extrude it more and roughly cover this part. There we go. We roughly shaped our mirror. Let me add some more geometry just in case. Bring the origin to the center of the 3D cursor, duplicating the object and mirroring it along global X. Now what I'll do is turn on the remesh, apply this modifier and join these mirrors to our car. I will remove the collision from our basic model and hide it for now. Move this one to its place. And also don't forget to turn on self collision for this cloth. Now hit play and you have a nice animation. You don't see any cloth chipping through it. If you see, like the mirror here, turn on the face orientation in the viewport overlays, you will see the normals are flipped. To fix that, what you have to do is select all the faces and press Shift N. This will recalculate the normals and now you are good to go. Nice. Let me shade it smooth. Add some subdivisions. And it looks like a cloth. Now to make the cloth reveal animation, we need this cloth to slide backwards. To do that, what I'll do is go to edit mode, select these center lines, select these center vertices, too much, go to data, add a vertex group and assign those vertices to this group. Name this group as pin group. Go to physics tab, under the shape, assign the pin group as pin. Now if I play the animation, you will see that those vertices are stuck there. Now to control those vertices, I will add a hook. Again going to the vertex, selecting these two, bringing cursor, adding an empty, rotating it 90x direction, adding a hook modifier under deform, selecting the object as empty and vertex group as pin. Make sure you have this modifier above the cloth. Now if you play this animation and move the object, you will see it works. Just like this. Now you can control the cloth. Now all I have to do is animate this hook object. To do that, I will keyframe its location for now, then go to something like 30 and move it roughly near the car like this and keyframe its location. Then I'll move to the last frame and move this object to something like 8 meters away and again keyframe its locations. Don't forget to set interpolation mode to linear. So let's play the animation. Looks great, right? Simply turn off the viewport view of the object and also disable this object in renders, and let's bring our original body back so it will look like it's interacting with our main body. To make it play smoother and faster, what you can do is go to physics tab, under cache, bake all the dynamics. Our bake is ready, and if we hit the play, you will see it looks quite smooth. just add some thickness by adding solidify modifier, not too much, so I'll set this value to something like 0.05, and it's good to go. Well, for the render, I have this simple scene setup, which is something like a garage. The walls and the pillars are having a simple concrete texture, and the floor is having asphalt texture. I have modeled these hanging lights, which are quite simple, and these ropes. For the cloth, I have turned on the metallic value and set the base color to red. This is how it looks. I have rendered this animation in 60 fps from 410 frames. This is how it looks. It's quite simple. I have cropped the part where the cloth falls. Cameras are quite basic, and I have used composition guides, like if you can see, this is how composition works. The golden ratio, which focuses on the logos. Same for the back view. The triangle, which focuses on the mirror and the tail lights. So this is how it looks. Quite simple. And in the composition, I have used a glare node and lens distortion node. My render samples are 32. I have rendered all of these animations in 60 fps in Cycles render engine. This is the rendered viewport. Cool, right? Let's see the results. Thank you guys for watching this video, and comment down your queries in the comment section below. See you in the next one.